right, we're back.
Yes, we are. We are back. Well, you know, I mean, it's summertime, and what do you do in the summertime? You relax. You take it easy. But we are back, and I've got this wonderful mixture right here. What is it? Oh my God! Nobody knows. Actually, it's peony flowers, the petals. And these I picked from my garden, and they're heritage peonies. I got them from my mother. My mother got them from her mother, and who knows where she got them from. Anyway, so I picked 3 peonies. I picked 2 pink ones and 1 red one. The pink one seemed to be the most fragrant. The red one, yeah, it was pretty fragrant too, but mostly I used the red one for color. I clipped the peonies and I washed them off, plucked all the petals, put them in a bowl, and then I took 2 cups of hot water and poured over top. And also, as you can see, I added, there it is, well, that's sort of it. I don't know whether you can see that. Pink peppercorns. I just thought pink peppercorns would complement the floral qualities of this syrup that we're going to make.
Where does one get pink peppercorns?
I got them at Bulk Barn. Bulk Barn! Yeah.
Your local bulk food store.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, you gotta look. You gotta look. I guess you can buy them online, I would think. I just think they're gonna add some, just a nuance of pepper. Now, pink peppercorns are kind of weird, you know. They come from the pepper tree. They're kind of like your regular pepper, but they're not as strong. They're more like a berry, and there's a sweetness to them too. Now, did I mention that I let this sit overnight or not?
No, but you just did.
Okay. So what I did, I put the hot water in there with the pink peppercorns, 2 good teaspoons, petals from 3 flowers, and I popped the lid on and I let it sit overnight, infusing all those flavors. So what we're going to do now is we're going to strain it out. This should be fun. Two cups of water, 3 flowers, petals from 3 flowers of peonies, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, pink peppercorns. I'm gonna put my gloves on here, maybe. Jesus, what are these, like gloves for
ants, Bruce, gloves for ants.
ants. You could use gloves, as I'm doing, or you could just go and wash your hands real clean. And what we want to do here is we want to get in here and we want to squeeze. Oh, look at all that juice we're getting out of these. And it's kind of weird color too. It's kind of like a yellowy color. Okay, let's do this again. There we go. We got 2 cups of pea water. Peony water. So, gloves off. Looks like I got some stuff in there. Yeah, a few little, I'm gonna filter again here. Yeah, changes everything. So, this is clean now. No little particles. 2 cups, pea water. So what we're going to do is add a cup of white sugar. And the reason I'm using white sugar, I don't always like to use white sugar, but I'm using white sugar because it's going to keep it bright. We want that color to be kept bright, you know? 1 cup. And we need some fire. Whoa! Lost a few hairs there. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. Dissolve all that sugar. It's quite fragrant, actually. Sugar's all dissolved. Let's just check where my... Okay. Yeah, you see there? I don't know whether you can see that or not, but that's our 2 cup mark. And so we want to reduce it a little bit. Try and reduce it to almost half. It's just going to take some time. So I guess we need a clock wipe, eh?
Classic clock wipe.
Okay, we are back and we've reduced this. Pretty much half. That's nice. So what we want to do now is just let this thing cool to room temperature. Another clock wipe, Aaron.
Yeah, why not?
Here we go. So I put it in a bowl here, and I reduced it to half on the stove, and yeah, we're looking pretty good. It's almost to half. So this is beautiful. And the reason I put it in a bowl is because now I'm going to add like a half a lemon. I think I'm going to fine strain on top. And that's going to change the color a little bit, which is nice. Whoa. My eye! My eye! Clyde, my eye!
That's a golden oldie.
And we're happening. Okay. Give that a little stir. And wipe up our mess. And all we got to do now is bottle it. I don't know whether I could. I should almost put this in something I can pour out of.
Pouring device.
Yes. Hang on. A pouring device.
There's no pouring apparatus down here?
No. So I'm just going to pour this into this. Oh, look at the color. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Just to make it easier to pour, right? Beautiful. There we go. That's gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I guess we should probably fortify it. Like right now, you'll probably get at least a month out of the refrigerator. Put a little vodka in there, and you get a little longer. No question. No question. Guess we should try this, shouldn't we? I love the color. Oh, yeah. Oh, floral. Oh, that's nice. Wow, wow. That's very nice. And this is going to make some awesome summer cocktails. You wait and see. So, next time. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.